Okay, so we know that the mean score of darts was 35 after 9 darts were thrown. He then threw another dart and his average became 32. So what we want to know is, what did he score with his 10th dart? Now we have enough information because using the formula for working out the average uses 3 parts. So you add up the data set and get that total, so that's one part. You count the number of values in your data set, so that's another part. And then the actual answer, the mean itself, is the third part. So as long as you have 2 out of the 3, you can work out the third one. So in this case, we know that something, let's call it x, divided by 9, because that's how many darts were thrown, equals 35. So his total score after 9 darts is what is represented by x. The 9 is the number of darts that he threw, and the 35 is the median. So if we want to work out x, we simply need to rearrange this equation here. Okay, so to bring the 9 up, we need to do the inverse of dividing. So we need to times both sides by 9. So x will equal 35 times 9. So the total score after he threw 9 darts equals 35 times 9. And that equals 315. Okay, so we know that all the darts added up together was 315. The number of darts that were thrown was 9, and that then gives us our mean of 35. So now we know each part of the equation. So now he's thrown another dart and his average has now become 32. So we'll repeat the same process. So we'll call this number y, so the new total of y, because we don't know what his 10th dart scored. This time is divided by 10 because he threw 10 darts this time, not 9 darts, and the new mean became 32. So again, we've got 2 out of the 3 that we need to solve this problem, and we can work out the missing value. So to do the inverse of 10, we need to times both sides by 10. So that now becomes y, so the total score after throwing 10 darts becomes 32 times 10. So y equals 320. So the total score after he threw 10 darts was 320. So after 9 darts, he scored 315 because we worked that out earlier. And after 10 darts, he scored 320. So now we can work out what he scored when he threw his 10th dart. We just take one away from the other. So 320 take away 315 gives us 5. So he only scored 5 on his 10th dart. Okay.